R2, requesting board approval authorizing the county attorney to join in a lawsuit against the Mortgage Electronic Registration System, Incorporated, and member banks. And Chair Kogan, we have, I believe, 8 public testimonies on this.
Okay, we'll hear the presentation first. Can I get a motion, please?
So moved.
Second.
Commissioner Kafori moves. Commissioner Smith seconds. Approval of R2. Good morning.
Morning, Chair Kogan and Commissioners.
Morning.
Matt Ryan from the County Attorney's Office, appearing on behalf of my boss, Jenny Morris, who was out of town today, with Tom DAmore from his law firm, and here to present a proposed authorization for the county to engage in litigation against the Mortgage Electronic Registration System, otherwise known as MERS. And I'll defer to Mr. DAmore to explain further about the nature of the litigation and the goals of that litigation.
Thank you. Good morning.
Thank you. Good morning. As we've heard from the testimony today, Multnomah County is vital in providing services to folks. Multnomah County needs every dollar that it's entitled to, and that's what this claim is about. In addition, it's about making the Multnomah County public record accurate. The Oregon Trust Deed Act permits banks, lenders, financial institutions to foreclose on properties in a simplified manner. So that's a benefit that the banking industry and lenders get, is a simpler foreclosure process, avoiding judicial foreclosures. But through the use of MERS, the banking industry has been able to avoid the burdens. Through MERS, they're able to avoid the payment of filing fees on transfers. And what has happened is this MERS corporation has been created to act as the beneficiary in transactions. And so when a transaction takes place, instead of going to the county recorder's office and recording it, MERS just simply remains as the beneficiary. No filing fee is paid, and no documentation is made of the transfer. Very simply, when a transfer is made or an assignment is made, a filing fee needs to be paid, and secondly, the recording has to be accurate. We don't have that right now in Multnomah County. Therefore, the public at large, who should be able to look at our recordings and see accurate documents, doesn't see it. Now, there's been talk about delaying this matter because of various cases around the country that have been going on for a long time, will continue to go on for a long time. There's questions up to the Oregon Court of Appeals and a case in the Oregon Court of Appeals. As we know, we don't know when those decisions will come down. Some of these claims, this process has been going on for a long time. These claims can be stale. Any delay would cause them to continue to be stale. So we propose that we move forward at this point in time with the case.